Students, today's session 11th standard chemistry new lesson discuss gaseous state unit number 6. So already you will be well prepared for 10th standard session. So gaseous state elements and type of laws is also present in the physics part. So now discuss the chemistry part. It will be that gaseous state physical chemistry. So only 11 gases under normal atmospheric pressure condition. So elements like that, the diatomic elements, gaseous elements like that, hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas and fluorine gas and chlorine gas. And oxygen, another one form is like that, ozone. This is all. Noble gases is also monoatomic gas like that, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, both are also noble gases. Why? Completely filled outermost orbitals. So and noble gases. Compound of gases: carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide also exist in the gaseous state under normal atmospheric pressure. So before today discuss is also basic concept will be trick in type of laws, and that in our portions important laws discuss. So in your gaseous state lessons, Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Dalton's law, Gay-Lussac's law, Gregham's law, compressibility factor of real gas, van der Waals equation, pressure and volume correction, derivations of van der Waals constant and liquefaction of gas is combined to the equation ideal gas equation for Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles' law. So most of laws is also prepared for 9th and 10th standard. Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, ideal gas equation. You are one lesson well prepared from 10th standard section, students. That the equations only now discuss for trick A, B, C like that, Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles' law from ideal gas equation. How to the memory? First trick will be learned from the gaseous state lesson. Furtherly started with the lesson, students. So trick is also laws, type of laws is also most of laws in your books. So memory will be tough. So trick is also apply, easy to learn. So what is meant by gaseous state? Very important like that, number of molecules and that gaseous molecule pressure and temperature and particular volume. So pressure, volume, temperature and number of molecules. So based on the importance for gaseous molecules. So type of laws discussed for pressure, volume, temperature, number of the molecule. This is a trick method. So Avogadro's law. So what is that? First Avogadro's law, volume divided number of molecules. So V inversely proportional to N, or volume divided N is a constant. So balance where the students pressure and temperature is constant. So V1 N1, V1 divided N1 equal to V2 divided N2 is a Avogadro's law. So V inversely proportional to N. So first will be like is the arrow mark V2 N divided. Next front side P2 V, pressure to volume multiply. So here also divided, here also multiply. So where is the inversely proportional? Volume inversely proportional 1 divided P. So P multiply with PV volume. So PV is a constant. So balance, students, PV balance T and N is a constant. So P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 and Charles' law. So already multiplied and again divided. So V divided N balance, V divided T, V divided T. So V inversely proportional to T or V divided T constant, balance P and N are constant. So V1 divided T1 equal to V2 divided T2. Something the clue words. First step V divided N, given the formula. V divided N. Finished. And the next step, P multiply V. So PV. Finished Boyle's law. And the next last one, V divided T. Finished Charles law. So inversely proportional will be right. Divide means V directly inversely proportional to N. So V inversely proportional to 1 by P and V inversely proportional to T. So this is Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles law and ideal gas equation. So ABC concept, A Avogadro's law, B Boyle's law, C Charles law. So A V inversely proportional to N, B V inversely proportional to 1 by P and C V inversely proportional to T. A means Avogadro's law, B means Boyle's law, C means Charles law. So combine the equation form ideal gas equation, students. So where is the common volume is will be common ABC. Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles law is the combine is the volume is common. It will be right is volume and it will be right of inversely proportional to. So N and T is also power divided P. It will be right. So apply of the gas equation for universal gas laws are, so V equal to nRT divided P. So multiply with P left side volume. So PV equal to nRT is a ideal gas equation, student. Something the gas like that identified. So PV divided NT is a gas equation. So ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. Some the trick is also applied to the up to type of laws A B C D G squared. So it will be now discussed A B C only and increasing trick of A B C D G squared. So type of law, Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles law, Dalton's law. G squared means Gay-Lussac's law, Gregham's law. Upcoming classes is discuss, students. And next importance like that, the type of laws very important for 10th standard book. 1 or 2 times it will be refer. So it will be short videos will also now today's end. So you are refer to more 10th book. So Avogadro's law, Boyle's law and basic hints is also very important, students. Thank you to all.